Our water is ready for this pounded yam. Okay, let me put some water. Take some water away. It's already ready. Then, not disturb my piece. This microwave. I need to take some flour. I don't want to make the one that I cannot finish. Okay, the one that I can finish. Sharp. That is what I'm going to make. Alright. So, let me load the heat. Pounded yam is soon going to be ready. Oh no, don't try it. Don't try. Don't mess up everywhere, you know. Don't mess it up. Okay, this is how I do my pounded yam. Very simple. Some people put oil in the boiled water before making it. That is pando, okay? But I do not put oil on my pando because I don't need it. I make it naturally. It will still come out good and fine. That is how. Don't disturb my piece. Okay. Then I will start pressing it very well. Harder for it to come out very good. See here, guys. Thank God that I did not marry a black man. I'm sorry, I'm sorry to use this one because if not, I don't have the strength to be making pando every day. Oh. I do not have that strength every day making pando. I don't have the strength. I love quick action. Once all my food is ready, all the soup is ready, something that will just be very quick. Because this hand will weak. When I was in Nigeria, I am the one that is making all my family's food. Star show for 12 people. Sometimes I go to my grandmother's house. You know, I came from a very big and large family. Then cook on Christmas Day, cook on New Year Day, you know. It was not easy. That's why this hand is not functioning anymore. It is not working. I've put water to allow it to get cooked. Oh my God. I cannot wait.